Alright gamers, let's cut through the hype. Is the LG 32GX850A-B actually worth dropping $1,000, or are you getting played? This 32-inch beast from LG dropped in late 2025, and first off, yes, it's real. You'll find it at legit spots like Amazon, Best Buy, or Micro Center. But let's talk details. It packs LG's 3rd-gen OLED panel with micro-lens array plus. Translation? You get a super bright, punchy picture, about 275 nits in SDR. Not supernova, but enough for most setups. The real trick up its sleeve, dual-mode tech. You can game in crystal-clear 4K at 165 Hz, or flip to Full HD at a blazing 330 Hz for that esports edge. Pair that with a lightning-fast 0.03 ms response, and, honestly, you're not blaming the monitor when you miss a shot. But here's where it gets spicy. The glossy glare finish. Most monitors use matte, but this one's shiny. Some love it. Deeper blacks, sharper text, looks like a mini OLED TV for your desk. But, if your room's got a lot of lights, expect some reflections. Now, why do people whisper scam? Usually it's those wild 1,000 off deals, like special codes or outlet sales. Sometimes LG cancels orders if they oversell. That's frustrating but not a scam, just supply headaches. Some folks worry about the refresh rate since the 32GX850A does 240 Hz at 4K. But with the 850A, the trade-off is that glossy screen. It's a choice, not a downgrade. Oh, and early OLED units sometimes show faint lines or banding. That usually vanishes after an automatic pixel refresher runs. Annoying, sure, but not a defect. Bottom line, if you want a cinematic, glossy OLED gaming experience and can control your lighting, this monitor is pure flex. But if you hate reflections or need total silence, maybe keep looking.